Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about punctuations. Let's learn together. Hello friends, punctuation helps us write clearly and correctly. Today we will learn the most common punctuation marks. Let's get started. Number 1 is full stop. Full stop ends a sentence. We use a full stop to end a sentence. For example, I love animals. We use full stop at the end of the sentence. Next, we have question mark. Ask a question. A question mark is used at the end of a question, like this. What is your name? We use question mark. When we are asking something, asking a question, then we use question mark. Next is exclamation mark. Shows excitement or strong feelings. Use an exclamation mark to show excitement or strong feeling. For example, wow, that's amazing. In this, we are showing an excitement. That's why we use exclamation mark. Next is comma. Separates ideas or lists. A comma is used in lists or to add a small pause in a sentence. For example, I like apples, comma, bananas, comma, and oranges. Next, we have apostrophe. Shows possession or contractions. An apostrophe shows ownership or shortens words. For example, Sarah's book or can't. It is used to shortens the word and showing someone possessions. Next is quotation marks. Show spoken words. Quotation marks are used to show when someone is speaking like this. John said, we use quotation mark, I love reading books. John said, I love reading books. We use quotation mark in it. Now it's question time. Can you guess the punctuation mark? What time is it? Which punctuation mark we use? Yes, you are right. We are asking a question. That's why we use a question mark. Next, I am so excited. Think. Yes, you are right. It is showing an excitement that's why we use exclamation mark. I love my mom. Guess the punctuation. Yes, you are right. I love my mom. We use a full stop because it's end a sentence. Great job. You are a punctuation star. Thanks for learning with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun videos. Bye for now. Take care.